In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues into Jira correctly. We're going to walk through the built-in CSV import process in Jira so you can bring your issue data in cleanly and map it to the right work types. This is especially useful if you're moving tasks from another tool, organizing a backlog from a spreadsheet, or setting up a new project with existing data. To begin, go to the top right corner of Jira and open Settings. This is where Jira keeps the administrative options you'll need for imports. Once you're in Settings, click System. That takes you into the system level configuration area where import and integration tools are available. From there, select External System Import. This section is designed for bringing data into Jira from outside sources, and for this workflow, we'll be using a CSV file. On the import screen, click CSV to choose that option. Next, click Upload CSV file and select the file you want to import from your computer. Before moving on, it's a good idea to make sure your CSV is formatted clearly with consistent column headers and clean data, since that helps prevent mapping issues later. After the file is uploaded, click Next. Now, you'll choose the Jira space where these issues should go. In many Jira setups, this means selecting the appropriate project or destinations area for the imported work. Take a moment here to confirm you're choosing the correct space, because that affects where the imported issues will be created and how they'll be managed afterward. After selecting the Jira space, enter the space name as required. This helps Jira connect the imported data to the correct location. Once that's filled in, click Next. On the following screen, click Next again to continue through the import setup. Then, on the next step, click Next one more time. These screens typically move you through Jira's import configuration flow, so just continue carefully without skipping over any required fields. Finally, map the values to work types. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Here, you'll match the values from your CSV to Jira issue or work types, such as tasks, stories, or bugs, depending on your setup. Make sure each value from your file points to the correct Jira type, so your imported issues are categorized properly from the start. Once that mapping is set correctly, you'll be in a much better position to complete a clean import and avoid unnecessary cleanup afterward. And that's how to import issues into Jira correctly using a CSV file.